Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the this one async generators and for await of loops. Today we'll be discussing about the advanced type coercion. Right. So what is type coercion? Let's try to understand. JavaScript's type coercion automatically converts the values to match expected types and operations, but it can lead to the unexpected results as well. So let's try to understand the implicit coercion with double equals operators and preventing the coercion with triple equals operator. So let's see this two examples. You can try different examples. I insist to try with the different examples so that you will get to know the concepts crystal clearly. So the only thing that you can try understanding the code better is one thing you have to uh, do. You have to learn with the different examples and you need to debug more. The more you debug, the more you try to understand the code with the different example, the more you get to know better and the more you learn as well. So simple example, first example, we will go with the implicit quotient with double equals operator. Quickly I'll come here. I'll just give here console log of uh, 1 equals 1 here. Also, let me consider here console log of 0 equals false, right? So what is happening here? This one double equals operator, what this does, this compares the value. This just compares the value. It will not consider the data type. So while we are comparing 1 with 1, here this is of the type string, but the data type is not considered. So we have to get the output true over here. So here this one string will be converted to number and 1 equals 1. This will be true. All right. So here this 0, we are comparing this one to the boolean value false. Boolean value of true will be of the value 1. It will consider 1 and the boolean value false will be considered 0. So 0 with 0, we have to get the output true again. So as we are making use of the double equals, this one data type will not be considered. So in simple terms, the double equals operator coerces types before the comparison, right? So here let's try running the code. I am getting the output true and true, right? I hope this topic is completely clear. Next let's see the same example, how to prevent the coercion with triple equals operator. If I give the same thing here, let's make use of the triple equals operator. If I give the same thing over here, this triple equals, basically what it does is it compares the two values along with the data type. Previously double equals, it used to compare the values, but it doesn't used to involve this one data type. But here triple equals compares the value along with the data type, right? So when one is of the type this one number and this one is of the type string, within the string we have given one, right? This will be considered as a string. So the output that we need to get here is basically false, right? So or the output that we need to get here is basically false. And here this one 0 basically is of the type number and false is of the type boolean. So when we try to compare this one, basically it has to be false. So let's try running the codes. So the output that we are getting here is false, right? So in simple terms, the triple equals operator does not perform type coercion, ensuring the strict comparison, whereas the double equals operator coerces types before the comparison, and the triple equals operator does not perform type coercion, ensuring the strict comparison. So the next topic that we will be discussing on is JavaScript begin for the large numbers. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.